Hi, good morning, guys. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to cover my trades I did today, like mostly on again Bajaj Finance today. So I did couple of trades today. So some are with pattern, some are randomly I kept, and I am working on that to reduce the over trading. So initially, if you see the multiple trades, if you see starting the 9:15 itself, okay, when market started, then since it was a big fall yesterday, I thought to I was expecting the share should go up. Okay, and I trade started here, then I purchased again here, then I started seeing kind of resistance at this level. Okay, then I sold and I squared off. Okay, so the next trade, if you see, you can ignore Reliance for now. Okay, so next good trade I started at, yeah, this place. Okay, 10.8. I'll explain you the logic behind that, why I traded at that price at the time. So if you see, it's like 10.8. Okay, so 10.8, if you see here, yeah, this is the price. Okay, and I purchased at around 3,252 and I sold at around 10.18, 295, around 40 rupees difference. So 295, so it's a 10.18. Okay, 10.18, yeah, so 295. Okay, yeah, so I simply captured this price range. Okay, this price difference, this one. Okay, this is enough. Starting here, I captured this much. Okay, okay, since I'm trading with less quantity, that's why, yeah, we don't see much profits here. So I captured 40 points. Okay, so total today I made around 415 rupees. Okay, and I mean, with Bajaj Finserv, I see, you can see finance 451 rupees. Okay, okay, this is one logic. And the second thing, the last trade, if you see here again 8, you can see I traded at 2:56 p.m. Sorry, 260, 2:56 p.m. Yeah, this one. Okay, and 2:56 I sold at 3:55, and at 3.7 I purchased at 26. Again, if you see, around 29 rupees difference here. Okay, 29 rupees. Why I did here 3.7, you can see 3.7. Okay, here. Okay, so again, this is the gap. Okay, this is the price range. I captured few points, around 29 points. Okay, okay. Uh, See the logic why I used here. I'll why I purchased. I can go to that. I first, let me go to my first trade. What I did here. Okay, since it already had a good fall yesterday. Okay, and there was a good gap up today around 32 rupees. So if you see here, whenever gap up, if you see any gap up, that too with the flat market, it has to retrace it has to action, it has to touch the close previous day's close price. This is a general point I remember and I experienced with my past experience. Okay, I have seen. So I was just observing this one. Then with my first trade, I closed here. Then I started another one here. Okay, so I really focus on the trend lines mainly with 1 minute trend lines. Okay, there are different type of trend lines people draw. So so I'll simply go with 1 minute simple trend line. If you see clearly, since we had a big fall yesterday, then again it touched yesterday's close price, and it tried once, twice, three times here. Then I thought here, okay, this is very simple and very basic one. If you see here, if you see this kind of uh, price range, price action, you can simply purchase if you can see any the crossing price of this one. That if you see this range, that means people are purchasing here. Sellers and buyers, demand and supply is almost equal. So it may give big breakout. And always do remember to have stop loss. If you want to purchase here, then you can put stop loss here. Okay. So that's why I purchased here. Then I was waiting here. Then it went back around 303. Then it came back here. When I started seeing that reversal, then I sold it here. Okay, and don't expect that you need to purchase at the low of any price and you need to sell at the very top of the price. That is not practically possible. So that's why you should expect any profit between the high and low. So and after that, if you see the market went in sideways. Okay, again this is expected between around 10 to 11 somewhere, 10 to 12. Okay, these 2 hours we see less trades, but today we had good momentum here and it has given a lot of opportunities. If you see here, again another breakout here. Yeah, the another one I was trying to tell, like if you see any trades like this, any trend, any trend like this, it is very clear that people are trying to purchase from low. If you draw a line that combines all low including tails. Okay, I mean people follow, like few people say that you need to ignore tail, but few says that you need to include tail or wick, whatever we call. So if you see here, the downside is slowly reducing here. It's going up, down, up. But if you see the overall trend, it is like that. Okay. So considering the previous, okay, that momentum, then we can. This is one of my favorite trend. I always remember because if you see here, consider, okay, you. I mean the moment is very low here. Okay, if you momentum, if you consider it's very low by seeing the difference of high and low values. Okay, so if you see it's very negligible, and it is being like almost nil. And people say dozy pattern, like different reversal hammers, all this I don't believe much in this. But if you see here, and price started moving up, so if you purchase here, then it will clearly give a breakout, and the stop loss would be the tail of the lowest candle. If you have any candle with very big tail, and in that case, I don't prefer to keep stop loss at the end. Okay, it has to be uh, the reasonable price. Okay, what we are planning to achieve here and what we are planning to lose in case of any negative reversal. So, though I did not do trading here, this was one my favorite I observed today, and another one is similarly here. These are very simple plans, trends where you can make good profit. So today we had some power problems at home, so that's why I could not capture all these profits. So that is one more observation, guys, with my experience. If you are not feeling comfortable, don't do trading for the day. It has to be traded. You have to trade with a peaceful mind as well as comfortness. If you are not feeling both, then don't do trading. I experienced couple of times with mobile or standing somewhere or while journey like, so I got a few losses. Okay. So you can see, right, this is a clear trend. So then like people follow different like indicators like moving averages, CPR. I don't believe much of those, but still keep it for reference. So if you see here, it crossed here. This is 200 MA, this red color one, and the yellow color one is 50, and blue one is 20. Okay, so when it crosses the general saying, right, when 20, that like small moving average, if it crosses big average one, then it will be like a buy, and if it crosses in reverse side, it will be a sell. Okay, so you can see it is moving. So anyway, so that is also one uh, indicator people follow, like CPR, central pivot range. This is also one in like indicators people mostly trade, and there are many patterns people follow, like trends, patterns like head and shoulder. If you see here, this is head. Let me draw. Okay. So people see whatever the time frame. If you see this you can easily identify. It will not be exact like head and shoulder. You need to just correlate with the values. Okay. So people say that, okay, whenever you see such pattern, most of the cases it will be a downfall, and some cases it will be up. Okay. So that means if you combine the trending also here, okay, trending. So see, the trend line indicates most of the things. The pattern we see here is nothing but human psychology, right? Traders, investors, whoever it is. So whatever they do, it get reflects here. People are selling here means that's why it's coming down. At this point, okay, people are like more buyers are there. That's why it is going high. Maybe a big investor tried to purchase. That's why it went up. So the trend it shows high, and it clearly marked the pattern head and shoulder. Then if you see here, it did not touch here. Okay, if it would have touched here, then you might expected a downfall. Since it reverted from here, then you can easily purchase, like in this case, at this moment, at this time, at this range, 3302. Okay, and it may go 30. So 28 points are there. Like peak is 333, but again, somewhere you can sell here after seeing this one reversal. Okay, so and stop loss again, it will be 84. I prefer 84. That's what you need to believe, that if you are planning to buy or sell, you need to believe it may go, or it may go up or down. Okay, if it started acting opposite side of your thoughts, then you need to better exit. Exit means again you cannot exit here because it, it hasn't completely formed the pattern. So based on this pattern, you started purchasing or selling, right? So you need to wait that pattern to complete. That's why don't change your stop losses. If you keep okay a stop loss here, okay, but again it's not fulfilling the pattern. If you keep stop loss here, example, okay, you started keeping this one, okay. It clearly it's like 99% with my experience, I can say it will definitely touches here. That's why it has to be somewhere reasonable point you need to choose. That is this price. Okay. Somewhere, somewhere. So this is also better one. Okay. Because since the price is in uptrend, if it breaks, that means it may fall drastically. 83. So if you have purchased it here, 300. So 17 points. Okay. Again, it's not recommended that one, or else if it is going high like this, then you have to wait till here, okay, because it's not clear. It did not come here. Okay. So either you need to purchase here and then stop loss would be like 90, 10 points, somewhere 10 points, and if you capture that around 29 points. Okay. And if you see my trading, okay, I did some unnecessary uh, trades also that I'm learning, still learning to reduce. Okay. So overall profit is 450. So that's it for today, and I'll be sharing more experiences in upcoming videos with a lot of research I did so far and my experiences, how I started my trading and when, and all this. Okay, so don't think we are trading with less quantities now. If you see, it's very less quantity, and people may have greed. That's why we are into trading, but we need to understand at the same time we need to think about losses also. Okay. Since I have gone through all these phases, like big quantities, even sometimes I did with 1000, even with prices of over 1000 share price, also 1000, 1500, 2000. I was easily doing with quantity 500, 800, and 1000. So I reduced it to very less because I wanted to learn myself and I want to execute with a plan. And at the same time, I want to share my experiences. So that's why if you see very less quantities, 5, 8, 3. Okay, that's it, guys. Uh, this is my second video. If you see any mistakes or corrections, do let me know in comment section. I'll improve myself, and by sticking to rules, then we all can earn the money from stock market. Thank you so much, guys. Signing off.